Welcome to this tutorial on sending PayPal internationally. PayPal is a popular online payment system that allows you to send and receive payments globally. In this guide, we will walk you through the steps to send PayPal internationally. First, you need to have a PayPal account. If you don't have one, sign up for a personal or business account on the PayPal website. Once you have an account, log in and click on the Send Money tab. You will be prompted to enter the recipient's email address or mobile number. Next, select the country of the recipient and the currency you want to send. You can choose from over 25 currencies, including US dollars, euros, and pounds. Enter the amount you want to send and review the exchange rate and fees. PayPal charges a small fee for international transactions, which varies depending on the country and currency. Now, choose your funding source. You can use your PayPal balance, bank account, credit card, or debit card. If you are using a bank account or card, make sure it is linked to your PayPal account. Review your transaction details, including the recipient's information, amount, and fees. Once you have confirmed the details, click Send. The recipient will receive an email notification with instructions on how to claim the payment. If the recipient doesn't have a PayPal account, they can sign up for one to receive the payment. It's essential to note that PayPal has some restrictions and limits on international transactions. For example, some countries have restrictions on receiving international payments, and there may be limits on the amount you can send. Make sure to review PayPal's terms and conditions before sending money internationally. To avoid any issues, make sure the recipient's email address or mobile number is correct, and the recipient has a PayPal account in the same country. Additionally, be aware of the exchange rates and fees, as they may vary depending on the country and currency. In conclusion, sending PayPal internationally is a straightforward process. By following these steps and being aware of the restrictions and limits, you can send money globally with ease. Remember to always review the transaction details and fees before sending, and make sure the recipient has a PayPal account to receive the payment.